Hello guys, this is Business Person your way today again. I quickly want to show you something that has been happening on the VIP channel. But before that, I want to use this medium to say thank you to everyone who have subscribed to the YouTube channel, and also a very big thank you to those who are on the Telegram. And I really appreciate you guys. I love you all. Now let me just run you through what has been happening on the VIP on Telegram. Let me go back a bit. I will have started from 31st, but I just want to take us back a bit. Okay, guys, you can see we have a signal. We just took little profit from this, as you can see. We just took little profit from this. It has gone in loss for a while, and we have two mighty spikes down, so we close it in little profit, which is cool by us. We won this for boom 1000. You can see we won this, and for this another we have little spike, we won this too. And for crash 500, we won this for crash too. For crash 500, yeah, sell, yeah, we won this. I was a bit confused. I was looking for the spike, but we have a jump here. We won this, and you can see the price at 10,517. We won that too, so this is the result. Okay, so you can see we won that too. So I just gave a little explanation here on what is happening in the market. And for crash 1000 index, and we won that too. For crash 1000 index, you can see, so we won. And for boom 500, you see, we won. And 31st of March, crash 1000 index, we won this too. And let's go on all positions once. We had two entries on this, and which was one. Let's go on for boom 1000. You see, we won. Everything on my channel is about winning and winning and winning, with a powerful indicator, with a powerful tool that I was using. Boom 1000 index, you can see on boom 1000 index, we won this on boom 2. You can see on boom um boom 1000 index, at late night of 31st of March, I sent this, which I will probably show you the result for this. For the boom 1000 index, you can see is a long time trend which was picked from H4, and we have another one for crash 1000. We lost this. I couldn't hold this for a very long time. It's just like let it go so that we have more space for the boom 1000 to run. And also I sent another signal for crash 500 to buy, which is buying against the trend. We picked from H4. It's a long time trade. Now let me now show you the trade as it's running, guys. So this is the trade, guys. You can see this is the trade. You can see for boom 1000, boom 1000 has gotten to 70, it has gotten to around 70 something dollars, but it later went back to $38. But I strongly believe it will recover, then it will pick up. That's very, very sure. It recover and picks up because it's a long time trade, so we have nothing to be scared of. You see, we have nothing to be scared of. It will still go on a very good buy. Now let's go back again to see the crash 500 index, which is we gave the signal on the VIP group. You can see this is signal for the crash. You can see this is our entry. The EP stands for entry, and you can see the entry at 10460. Now let's go back to the trade and see. So the trade was picked at, let's use our crosshair, 104. This is 5.2, and it was picked from 60, which is around this point here. Okay, which is around this point here. You can see everyone is in profit for both signals. So guys, this is money. You can see from my VIP channel that this is money, guys. So thank you guys. Now if you want to subscribe for my VIP, it's just $30 for now. And if you need the powerful indicator that I'm using for this, I'm gonna give you the indicator. Just chat me up at business plus CEO. Just chat me up, then we have a talk. And also if you're interested in account management, okay, let's run this through. So message me now, guys. So thank you and stay blessed.